oh boy, oh boy. I think someone's going to be jumping for joy when they found out that their name has been drawn from one of over 500,000 people who entered the APQS long arm giveaway. Let's call the winner and let her know she has won an APQS Ellie on a halo table valued at $7,995.
Hello.
Hi Heidi, this is Dawn Kavanaugh with APQS Quilting Systems.
Yes,
Did you happen to enter a contest?
I did.
Guess what?
No.
Yep, out of 500,000 people, we drew your name.
Oh my God. I'm totally excited.
Yay!
Oh, holy smokes. You are, oh my God.
Is that the greatest news ever?
That is, I won the quilter. Oh, cool. What was the price on this one?
This one is $7,995 at APQS Ellie with a halo table. That includes our lifetime warranty too, so you can quilt forever.
Well, $8,000.
You got it.
Woo!
How exciting. That's great.
Yeah, it is.
So what's next,
Wow,
huh?
yeah, what's next? That's awesome.
What's next? Well, Heidi, we'll have our team get in touch with you so that we can make arrangements for delivery and visit with you about all that kind of stuff. But I wanted to be the first to let you know, and they'll probably get in touch with you midweek or so.
Sounds good. Thank you. That is awesome.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye now.
Well, Heidi's excited. Sounds like she's going to be quilting for a long, long time on her APQS Ellie. Be sure to check on our APQS website, watch our social media, because when the next APQS long arm giveaway comes around, we could be calling you.